Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Are you looking for the absolute easiest and cheapest way to sell your digital products, ebooks, courses, or coaching online? Look no further. In this video, I'm giving you a complete, step-by-step tutorial on how to set up and use Payhip. Unlike other platforms that charge hefty monthly fees before you even make a sale, Payhip lets you start for completely free, only taking a tiny percentage when you actually make money. By the end of this video, you'll have your store set up, your first product uploaded, and you'll be ready to start accepting payments. Let's dive in. First, what exactly is Payhip? It's an e-commerce platform designed specifically for creators. You can sell digital downloads, physical products, online courses, memberships, and coaching services. The biggest reason I recommend Payhip, especially for beginners, is their free forever plan. It gives you access to every single feature on the platform for $0 a month. They just take a 5% transaction fee per sale. As your business grows, you can upgrade to a flat monthly fee to drop that transaction fee to $0. Plus, they handle EU/UK VAT compliance automatically, which is a massive headache saver for international sellers. Let's get started. Head over to payhip.com and sign up for a free account. Enter your first, last name, email address and create strong password. Once you log in, you'll see this clean, simple dashboard. Before we list a product, we need to make sure you can get paid. Click on Setup Checkout or go to your account settings and select Payment Details. Here, you can connect your Stripe account to accept credit cards and your PayPal account. I highly recommend connecting both to give your customers options. Once those are linked, Payhip deposits your earnings directly into your account instantly when a sale happens. Now for the fun part, adding a product. Click on Products at the top, then Add New Product. You'll see options for digital downloads, courses, memberships, and physical goods. Today, we'll select Digital Download. First, upload your file. This could be a PDF, a zip file, audio, or video. Next, type in your product title and set your price. Scroll down to add a product image or thumbnail. Pro tip: use a tool like Canva to create a 3D book mockup or a clean digital graphic so customers know exactly what they are buying. Then, write your description. Tell your audience exactly what problem your product solves and what's included. Finally, hit save, and just like that, your product is live. You get a dedicated product link that you can share anywhere. While you can just share direct product links, Payhip also gives you a beautiful, customizable storefront. Click on Store and then launch Store Builder. This is a drag-and-drop editor where you can change your store's branding. You can add a profile picture, write a bio, change the fonts and colors to match your brand, and arrange how your products look. End the page. It's incredibly intuitive and requires absolutely zero coding skills. When you're happy with how it looks, just hit Publish. Before we wrap up, I want to show you a few powerful marketing tools built right into Payhip that usually cost extra on other platforms. If you click on the Marketing tab, you can easily create coupon codes for holiday sales. You can also set up an affiliate program, allowing other people to promote your product in exchange for a percentage of the sale. They even have built-in tools for cross-selling, meaning you can offer a discount on a second product right when a customer is checking out, which easily boosts your average order value. That is how simple it is to start selling your digital creations online with Payhip. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more tips on building your online business, and drop